Hi, my name is Daniel Rothberg, and I'm a second-year Environmental Policy and Management Master's student at UC Davis. Through my master's work, I'm engaging with water education and experiential learning to improve the understanding of complex surface and groundwater systems for practitioners and the public. I'm interested in looking at the intersection of the social, political, economic, and hydrologic forces that inform water systems in the West. This summer, I worked with Dr. Sam Sandoval-Solis, who leads the Water Management Lab at UC Davis, to help build out the California Water Course, a bilingual, three-module hybrid extension course focused on empowering early career water professionals and community advocates. The course aims to provide technical data and information to help inform decisions at the local level. It's structured to offer students self-guided assessments that can be tailored to their local watershed, leaving them with actionable information that they can apply to their future work. Students read and watch videos covering a large array of topics, answering questions from what is a basin to what policies apply to surface water users versus groundwater users, and how is water budgeted for cities. We expected about 35 people to sign up for the course. In the end, we had more than 85 people register for the course across the state. To me, it highlighted the high demand for water education and the need for more courses tailored to early career water professionals and community advocates. As a Summer Immersion Program fellow, I worked with Dr. Sandoval to plan out logistics for the water course's first in-person day in August, which brought more than 70 participants to the UC Davis campus. We toured groundwater wells, a California Irrigation Management Information System station, and the Poudre Creek watershed. After that, we taught hands-on classes about water policy, hydrology basics, and a history of California water. As a student, for me, I learned about curriculum development and I practiced my instruction skills, teaching a class on water policy and hydrology 101. All of the courses aim to situate participants in their local watershed. I feel passionate about the need to bridge technical and academic information with local applied and public knowledge about water, and I believe courses like this help to do so. With California in the process of implementing the Sustainable Groundwater Management Act, raising awareness of how water moves through natural and built environments is all the more important to ensure everyone has a voice in how water, a public resource, is managed, and the ability to ensure accountability and transparency from those making decisions.